Hey everyone, we're going to do orange juicing with preschoolers today. The first step is that you're going to wash your hands. Next, we're going to put out our table mat, which is going to create a nice clean workspace for us and keep our table from getting all sticky. And then we're going to place our cutting board on top and put on our apron to keep our clothes from getting all sticky and delineate that we are doing some food prep work today. The next thing we're going to get is our juicer. You can get these on Amazon, they're great, and here's our orange cut in half. I'm showing the children that there's the rind and the sections, and in each section is the pulp that contains the juice. The middle is going to go in the middle of the juicer, and we're going to push, and here's how we squeeze. Push and squeeze, push and squeeze, push and squeeze. Keep pushing and keep squeezing. And we're gonna lift it up and just check and see, oh, there's still lots of pulp and juice left. So we're gonna keep squeezing and pushing. I'll speed this up a little bit, but basically we're gonna continue to do that until we have got all the juice out, and we'll take it to the trash. When we get back, I'm showing the children there's a side that has a stoppage for the pulp, and there's a side that has open pulp. So if you like pulp like I do, you're going to use the open side and carefully pour your orange juice into the small cup. Make sure to get all that juice in there. We worked so hard to squeeze, and then we can enjoy our juice. There's nothing like freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning to get your day going and to get some extra vitamin C during flu and cold season. Delicious. If you're new here, you might not know the cleaning part is just as important as the rest of the lesson. So we're going to take our dishes to our dish cleaning station. If you're at home, you can do this in your kitchen sink with a little step stool. But in the classroom, we have soapy water on one side and clean water on the other to clean all of our dishes. I'm going to speed this up for you here. We're washing and drying the juicer and our cup. And when we get back, we can replace our cutting board and carefully roll up our table mat so that the next person can use it. If I were to have any juice on this mat, I would wipe it with a small paper towel or sponge. Next, we're going to fold and roll our apron for the next person to use. This is a nice way to take care of our school community, making things ready for each other, clean and ready. And that is all for today. Enjoy orange juicing.